Hi everyone, welcome to Aviation Festival Asia. Today I'm joined with Chai Eamsiri, CEO of THAI Airways. Thank you for joining me today.
Most welcome.
So firstly, how are digital investments helping to grow your airline's revenue?
Actually, everyone cannot deny that digital is a very crucial part for every industry in the world, not only the travel or airline industry. Uh, Especially when we have a different distribution channel, even through the direct sales or through the agent or through the website. Uh, every channel we have to rely on digital to be able to reach out to our customer directly or via the normal or traditional uh, distribution channel. So, especially for Thai, we are during as you know, we are under the rehabilitation plan, and one of the biggest initiative or one of the change that we have to make is digitalize not only the sales but also the company as a whole, because we already reduced number of staff from 30,000 people down to 15,000 by half. That means we have to change the way we are doing business. So digital is very important role for us to change the company. Yeah.
Absolutely. I think that's something we're seeing across a lot of airlines and industries as well, the manpower gap being bridged by automation and technology and digitisation. So what changes have you made to enhance the sales experience for your customers?
Um, we, I think for the airline, it's quite difficult to reach out to the customer because the airline, we are global business, not like other retail. By using apps to reach out to the customer, it's quite difficult. So that's why I think we have to design what's the most crucial part that we would like to convey to our passenger or our customer. So we are developing our mobile apps to be able to reach out to the customer, what do they need and what we want to tell them, notifying them for Thai Airways product or even in case of irregularities, because there's a lot of things going on in the airport or in the world may change their itinerary. We have to rebooking their flight, then we have to telling them that okay, you change the flight. Why we have to change the flight? So I think our customer, they have a right to know what's happened to their itinerary or the flight that they are booking. Yes.
Absolutely. So it's the sort of communication that
Yes.
facilitates that
Yes,
as well.
yes.
That's great. So finally now, how will the return of China's tourist market impact your strategy?
Actually, Chinese market is always our one of the first priority for Thai Airways. In the past, we used to fly to China 6, 7 cities all over China. Right now, after during the COVID, China have an allocation to give to Thailand carrier. Right now, we fly only 3 flights a week to every place in China. Now they're opening up again. Initially we fly back to about 14 flights per week, but gradually increase. Our strategy actually we have to be more agile. Have to be more agile. As an airline, we have an big asset is our aircraft. When the China not reopen the country yet, we move our craft to India to find the way or places to generate the revenue. But since Chinese open the market, and we will have to move the asset to the place that we can generate more use to the airline. Is it change our strategy? I don't think so, because China is always in our map anyway. They are second country that we are flying to. The biggest is Japan in the past. They are number one in terms of the capacity. China is the second. Then it didn't change our strategy.
Fantastic. And just returning to what you mentioned earlier, I think the agility is probably one of the biggest lessons many airlines learned in the pandemic, is that ability to pivot and respond to situations that you can't see.
Agile is very important. How you can adapt to the world that keep changing every day. In the past, airlines seem to be the how can I say, like a dinosaur. Very difficult to adapt. But right now, I think we have to change. Airlines is a lot of barriers to come in, but it's easy to get out. Big barrier, but easy to get out. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Because easy to come in, easy to get out, because easy to burn money quickly, and you can get bankrupt even within a couple of months, because the airlines are very capital incentive. When you have a problem in terms of the cash flow, then you have a problem. I think we have to rethinking again. We have to be more conservative, because the lesson gave us a very bad lesson since 2 years ago. Your revenue stream may be zero for a couple of months, so we cannot rely on our traditional cash flow anymore. We have to be more conservative on it.
Absolutely. So lots of lessons learned from the pandemic, and lots of it feels like the evolution of the industry is sort of being catalysed at the moment, and so it's a really exciting time for it. Thank you so much for joining me today. I really appreciate it.
Yes, I'm most welcome, and really have an honor to be here. And I hope I can enjoy more for the rest of the day.
Absolutely.
Yes. Okay.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Bye-bye.